The foundation of the modern world is made up of factories. Every product we use daily, from phones to cars, from steel to plastic, begins its journey inside a manufacturing plant. In this video, we take you deep inside a modern industrial factory to see how raw materials are transformed into finished products with precision, technology, and human expertise. Welcome to a rare behind-the-scenes look at how manufacturing truly works. Section 1. Arrival of raw materials. Every production process begins with raw materials. Large cargo trucks arrive at the loading dock, bringing steel coils, plastic pellets, electronic components, and other essential supplies. Each shipment is thoroughly checked before entering the facility. Barcode scanners, digital weighing systems, and quality inspectors ensure that only perfect materials move forward. Inside the warehouse, these materials are organized using automated systems that track every item in real time. Nothing is left to chance. Accuracy is everything. Section 2. Initial preparation. Before the assembly line starts, the materials are prepared for production. Metal sheets are cut into precise shapes using advanced laser cutting machines. Plastic pellets are heated at extremely high temperatures, turning into molten plastic ready for molding. Every step is handled with extreme precision because even a small mistake can affect the entire manufacturing process. Section 3. The production line. Now we step into the heart of the factory, the production line. Here, machines and humans work side by side to create flawless products. Robotic arms move with incredible accuracy, placing components perfectly in position. Conveyor belts transport parts from one station to the next. Sensors monitor pressure, temperature, and alignment, ensuring that every piece fits exactly where it should. This is where the real transformation takes place, where separate parts become a complete, functioning product. Section 4. Human expertise. Despite the rise of automation, human skill remains irreplaceable. Experienced workers handle tasks that machines cannot, such as fine adjustments, delicate assembly, and detailed inspections. Their expertise ensures that quality remains consistent. With steady hands and trained eyes, they make sure that every product meets the strict standards of the industry. Section 5. Quality control. Once the assembly is complete, the product enters the quality control stage. This is where each unit undergoes a series of tests designed to detect even the smallest imperfection. Machines measure dimensions, sensors check durability, and specialists review functionality. If a product fails even one test, it is removed from the batch. Quality is never compromised. Only the best products move forward. Section 6. Packaging. After passing all tests, the products are sent to the packaging zone. Here, automated machines wrap, seal, and box each item with Incred. Labels, barcodes, and tracking codes are added, allowing the product to be traced from the factory all the way to the customer. This stage ensures that every package is secure, protected, and ready for shipment. Section 7. Storage and shipping. Finally, the finished products reach the distribution warehouse. Forklifts and automated robots organize them by category, destination, and shipping schedule. Orders from around the world are loaded onto trucks and container vehicles. Within hours, these products begin their journey to stores, companies, and homes across the globe. This is the final step, where factory work meets real-world demand. Factories like this shape the world we live in. They combine precision, innovation, and human skill to produce the things we rely on every day. From raw materials to finished products, each stage is a masterpiece of engineering and organization. Thank you for watching this factory tour. If you enjoyed this documentary, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and explore more behind-the-scenes content here on Industries Universe, your gateway into the world of modern manufacturing.